In this video, we will select multiple images and videos from device storage using Photo Picker. In case you haven't watched the previous video, watch it first. So, I will comment the code related to Photo Picker coded in the previous video. Activity Result Launcher, type Pick Visual Media Request. We will name it Pick Multiple Media. Equals, register for activity result. New, here, we need to specify activity result contracts.pick multiple visual media. And we will name the callback as URIs. If URI is not equals null, we will display the size, that is the number of images or videos selected, through toast. Toast URIs.size. Now, we need to specify the maximum number of media we can pick at a time. We will specify it inside activity result contracts.pick multiple visual media. I will set it to 4. Now, we need to launch the activity result launcher. So inside onClick listener, pick multiple media.launch. New, pick visual media request.builder. Set media type, activity result contracts, pick visual media, image and video, instance. Build. Click on Pick Media. If I select more than 4 images and videos, it should display an error message. Now, I will create a recycler view to display the selected images and videos. Click on the video in the I button to know more about recycler view. I will comment image view and video view created in previous video, and also references to image view and video view in main activity. Recycler view. Width, match parent. Height, wrap content. ID, RV_pick media. Top to top of parent. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. If you want to know more about constraint layout attributes, click on the video in I button. Padding top, attribute, action bar size. Padding bottom, I will say 100. Padding left, 20, and padding right, 20. Now, we will create list item. Right-click on Layout folder in Resources, New, Layout Resource File. I will name it Media Item. I will change Constraint Layout to Card View. And height and width to wrap content. I will set card corner radius to 25 and card elevation to 20. We will have an image view, video view and a text view inside this card view. Image view. Height and width, wrap content. ID, IMV_list media. Layout margin, 10. Video view. Height and width, wrap content. ID, VDV_list media. Visibility, con. Layout margin, 10. Text view. Height and width, wrap content. ID, TV_list number. Text style, bold. Text size, 25. Text color, red dark. Now, go back to activity_main.xml and in the recycler view, add list item, media item. Now, we will create a recycler view adapter. Right-click on root package, new, Java class, I will name it photopicker adapter. If you want to know more about recycler view implementation, click on the video in the I button. First, we need to create a view holder. Public static class view holder extends recycler view.viewHolder. Since we are going to use layout media item for this adapter, I will create references to the image view, video view and text view created there. Image view imv_less media. imv_less media equals item view.find view by id @id.imv_less media. Video view vdv_less media. vdv_less media equals item view.find view by id @id.vdv_less media. Text view tv_less number. tv_less number equals item view.find view by id @id.tv_less number. Now, recycler view adapter needs to extend this view holder. So, photopicker adapter extends recycler view.adapter photopicker adapter.viewHolder. We need to work with list of URI inside the adapter. So, list URI, URIs. Public photopicker adapter, list URI, URIs. This.URIs equals URIs. Now, the number of items in the recycler view will be equal to the size of this list. So, inside getItemCount, return URIs.size. We need to inflate the view holder with the media item layout we have created. So inside on create view holder, view item equals layout inflated.from parent.getContext. .inflate .layout.media item parent false. Return new view holder item. Now inside onBind view holder, first we need to get the type of the media, that is if it is an image or a video. This we have done in the previous video using Content Resolver. So, we will create an object for context inside viewHolder class. Context. Context equals item view.getContext. Content Resolver, CR equals holder.context.getContentResolver. String type equals cr.getType, URIs.getPosition. Now, we need to check if type contains image or video. If type.contains image. Else if type.contains video. So if type contains image, we need to set URI to image view. Holder.imv_less media.set image URI. We will create an object for URI. URI equals URIs.getPosition. Replace URIs.getPosition with URI in cr.getType. Set image URI. Now, set visibility of image view to visible and set visibility of video view to gone. Now in else if part, we need to set URI to video view. Holder.vdv_less media.set video URI. Now, set visibility of image view to gone and visibility of video view to visible. We will also seek to first millisecond. Holder.vdv_less media.seek to 1. Now, we will use media controller. Media controller equals new media controller, holder.context. Media controller.set media player, holder.vdv_less media. Holder.vdv underscore less media dot set media controller. Now, go back to main activity. Here, create reference for recycler view. Recycler view, RV underscore pick media. RV underscore pick media equals find view by ID, id.rv underscore pick media. So inside register for activity result, if UI is not equals null, we need to set adapter to recycler view. Pick media adapter equals new pick media adapter, and data is UIs. We need to set layout manager. Linear layout manager equals new linear layout manager, thus, orientation vertical and reverse layout false. RV underscore pick media dot set layout manager. RV underscore pick media dot set adapter. Okay, I have set the size to wrap content for both image view and video view. I will change height and width inside media item.xml. For image view, min height and min width will be 400. For video view, height will be 600 and min width will be 400. And also, I will set layout margin to 10 for card view. So here you can see, we have selected 4 images and videos. We can play the videos as well. But, we have an issue. The item refreshes every time we scroll away from it. This is because we are using recycler view and it reuses the view holders. We will disable recycling the items. Before that, we will set text to text view as well. Open photo picker adapter. Inside onBind view holder. Int number equals position +1. Holder.tv underscore item number dot set text. This is list item number plus number. And finally, holder.set is recyclable, false. So, we have selected multiple videos, and we can play multiple videos at the same time as well.